the last 6 days. So, well, today's the 6th day. I don't know. You know what I mean. You follow me, right? Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is day 6 of September 2018 Box Week. I was like, I had to think about it for a second. I'm like, are we on day 6? Yeah, okay. So, Box Week is the best week every single month on my YouTube channel. It's a 1 week every month me and my YouTube subscribers spend 7 consecutive days together. You're catching us on day 6. Don't worry though, you can catch up with us and see where we're at in the week. There's been a new video every day for the last 6 days. So, well, today's the 6th day. I don't know. You know what I mean. You follow me, right? So if you want to be the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because we're literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. And tonight we're going to be opening up a box that, like, literally every time I say I'm about to cancel this box, they come out swinging with a good one. So I really, like, am just on the fence with it because, like, I'll say, like, oh, it's probably going to be, like, canceled this month, and then they'll come out and be like, we got you, girl. So tonight I'm going to show you the back of it because my address label's on the front, but we're opening Sephora Play. Sephora Play is a monthly subscription box from Sephora, the beauty company, and I have my man Mr. John Wayne here to help me open up this box. So the Sephora Play box is $10 per month. So the reason, if you're like, so why would you consider canceling this box? So you get like 5 samples every single month. The problem is, for a while, the samples you were getting were items that you felt like you could already get, like, as gifts with purchase in store, or like they'll email you and be like, oh, if you buy this today, you're gonna get this item for free, stuff like that. So it kind of was losing its, like, excitement, if that makes sense. All right, so this month, they gave us this here. First off, this is always in every single box. It's a play card. You take that into Sephora, and if you buy anything of any dollar amount, you're gonna get 50 bonus beauty insider reward points. I cannot talk. And then this is actually the bag this month. Kind of interesting. They did like a plastic bag. Usually they do like a little like cloth bag. I actually kind of like this a lot better. I like the feel of it. The little like cloth bags, I usually like they end up getting tossed out and I feel like it's kind of a waste. So I feel like this might be like a little bit better. So I am excited to get into this and see what we got going on here today. All right, the first item that we have is Clinique Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly for all skin types. Okay, so this is a hydrating jelly. I'm gonna try this on my hand. I've never tried this product before, so I'm gonna actually see what this feels like. It's definitely like a nice, like, clear product, and I'm guessing it might be, I'm not sure if it's for your face or for your body specifically. It definitely has like a little bit of a cooling sensation. I don't know if I feel like it's super hydrating. I honestly feel like it's more setting, like sitting on top of my skin than actually absorbing into it. It definitely has like a more watery feel to it. Also, I forgot to mention that we're gonna be putting more items into our stockpile giveaway, which is this box of goodies right here. This is the 5th box that we started. Basically what it is I get so many items in my subscription box that I like to keep some and give some away. So the items that tonight I decide that I want to put in the giveaway box will go in there, and we will just keep filling it up. And once it's full, I will post a video saying that it's full and it's time to enter. All right, so the next item that we have is Marc Jacobs Highliner, a matte gel eyeliner crayon from Marc Jacobs. Okay, so we got like a little eyeliner. It's in this like paper here. I'm not sure what color we got because there's like a whole bunch of like different colors I guess you could get. I'm actually gonna just put this in the giveaway box. It's in the color Earthquake, so let's see what that looks like. I'm guessing it's probably more of like a black tone. Earthquake, it's more of like a grayish tone. Okay, so we're gonna put this in the giveaway box. I'm not taking it out so it stays in the plastic. I'm kind of doing okay with like eyeliner at the moment. Next item that we have is Ole Henriksen Truth Brightens Age Defying All Hydration Truth Serum. Ooh, this is cool. So this is a serum from Ole Henriksen. I've never actually tried one of his serums before, but I actually am really set on serum right now, so I'm gonna put this in the giveaway box as well. Ole Henriksen, and it's called Truth Brightens Age Defying Serum. I know that his brand is like really bomb, and he's really, really popular right now in the skincare game, so I'm excited for whoever wins that because that's gonna be a really, really nice product, and I'm actually impressed that they have something like that in the box this month. All right, the next item that we have is Lashcraft Big Volume Sephora Mascara. Oh, I'm dropping stuff. Lashcraft Sephora Mascara. So we got a deluxe size sample of Lashcraft mascara from Sephora. I'm actually gonna put this in the giveaway box as well. I just bought a brand new tube of mascara, so I don't really need that either. So I'd rather give that away rather than keep it for myself. Geez, so far it's like every box I feel like this month I've been like, I'm keeping one thing. And finally, ooh, okay, I'll keep this. We have Hangover Replenishing Face Primer from Too Faced, which is right there. And Belief Truth Cream Moisturizing Balm. Actually, you know what? I don't even, I actually just got a new primer too, I just realized. So I'm gonna put this in the box as well. Okay, so I'm keeping one thing from this bag. To recap, we got the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer, which is right there. Alright, we also got the Belief True Cream sample there, the Sephora Lashcraft Big Volume Mascara, the Marc Jacobs Eyeliner in Earthquake, which looks like it's kind of more of a gray tone, judging by the back of this sheet where it says which colors you could receive, the Ole Henriksen Truth Brightens Age Defying Serum, and the Clinique Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly. Now my hand does feel a little bit more hydrated, but it still like kind of has like a weird like feeling to it. So all of this stuff is actually going into our stockpile giveaway, which is already getting pretty full this month. There's like makeup brushes, there's a makeup bag, there's a full-size eyeshadow palette in there. I'm really excited to see who wins that this month. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we are literally the best crew around, because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 7 of box week. Alright, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. And 32,000 times. I was like, the reason I like this is the reason that I feel like I want to tell you about the reason for this thing. Okay, so the reason, the real reason, oh my god, I'm still doing it, that I like this. I'm getting close to the camera. What is wrong with me? Okay, just